This guy's a billionaire and he works a normal job. How can that even happen?
Like does
over 600 million
a year.
Yeah.
What's the range of revenue?
It's over 600 mil a year. Bruv, give us at least 1 million.
Basements.
Meet Larry Janeski, the blue-collar billionaire. He has built one of the largest and most successful basement repair companies in America. He's invented revolutionary products that millions use across their home. He has a portfolio of blue-collar businesses making $650 million a year. And he's achieved this all while working less than the average CEO.
If you have to work 70 hours a week, you're doing it wrong.
So today we're finding out what it takes to build a billion-dollar blue-collar empire.
You've been running this for 40 years.
Well, I started when I was 17.
And how much did you make your first year?
I made, $18,000 maybe, I don't know. I got a call when I was
That's
18
not
years
bad.
old.
Wait, $18,000 for back then? That's good. That's not bad.
Can you build a house for me? Yeah. But I'm 18 years old. So if that's a problem, let me know. In 6 weeks, me, my friend who was 17 years old, and my younger brother who was 14 years old on summer vacation, the three of us, you can't make this up. We built the house, and then when we were done, the guy next door comes over and says, can you build mine? And then we built his, and the guy on the other side comes over, can you build mine? And that's it. I was off to the races.
How does it feel when I say the phrase blue-collar billionaire?
It might be surprising to you, but hello, and before, 1990, we didn't have computers, and there were people that did well before then, okay? So tech isn't the only way to make money, okay? You go to the store, you buy groceries, you go to a mall, and you have all this retail. But, the cool thing is about working with your hands is that you can never be replaced by AI. Amazon's not going to take over. Your job is not going to be offshored to India or anywhere else, right?
Fair play.
Nobody can go in to a homeowner and fix their basement, from Amazon or from India, or no robot is ever going to fix a crawl space.
Wait a minute, because there is Optimus out there. Elon Musk. Hey, Optimus might be taking, not too soon, my friend, because robots can build faster as well, and they're stronger. So the future's looking weird.
It's just not going to happen, right? We need guys who are willing to get dirty. They know how to do, what to do, and why they're there. And that's what we do. These guys are real men, okay? You would see what these guys do. You would not believe it. You would not believe what these guys do.
What do you mean?
The work that they do, how hard work it is. Crawl space work, we go into crawl spaces that are this high. And they got dead mice and snake skins and bugs, and it's all mud under there. And they crawl in there. When they leave, at the end of the day, the customer could crawl in there in their pajamas and slide around. And these guys go into these very difficult environments every single day, and they make an incredibly, almost impossible job look easy. And we pay them very, very well.
What's the range of salary?
These guys make over $100,000 a year.
Fair play. That's not bad, man. And look at this guy. How is he a billionaire? Look at the way he's dressed. Some of you guys, you touch $1 million, you be Gucci head to toe. Even your teeth, grills and everything, just to show you've got a bit of money. This guy's a billionaire. And he's there dressed with some dead jeans. Those jeans are nice.
Range of salary?
These guys make over $100,000 a year because they are
joking.
It's hard to see this here, but he who works with his hands is a laborer. He who works with his hands and his head is a craftsman. He who works with his hands, his head, and his heart is an artist.
From making $18,000 building homes to owning a $600 million a year business, I had to find out what Larry's secret is.
That's a big jump from here to $600 million a year. You started, hey, I'm just going to do basements, and just the demand was there?
It's been 40 years, okay? Come on. Hey, we didn't make a big jump. We made a lot of little ones. There's a lot of business people who are looking for the quick hit, right? I'm going to start this business, I'm going to sell it in 3 years, right? You're going in it with the wrong mindset to begin with. My Dr. Energy Saver business, I went $5.5 million in the hole with no end to the losses in sight. And then my partner quit and sued me. So what do? Do I quit? No, I kept going. 11 years later, I made $1. Today, it's very profitable. We're making houses more comfortable, more energy efficient. They burn less fossil fuels and electricity, and they're less expensive to own. I've had a great positive environmental impact on the world because I didn't quit.
Do you have regrets about working too much? And was all this worth that?
I'm glad you asked, because I don't want people to think that I was the classic story of the busy business guy who was married to his business and worked so much and ignored his family. That is not the issue. And I haven't worked a weekend in 30 years. If you have to work 70 hours a week, you're doing it wrong. You cannot ignore your family. You cannot ignore, having some fun. In the beginning, you think it's about making money. You think it's about making a lot of money, right? I think that a lot of business owners don't stick with it long enough to realize what it's really about. And it's not about the money. I don't get my self-esteem from how much money I make. I get it from those people, right? From them looking at me and saying, I trust you. At your funeral, nobody's gonna say, oh, he had so much money. They don't care. It's the relationships and the good that you've done, the footprint. Did you leave the world better than when you found it?
I like this guy.
I've been working hard.
Hi there. Did you know you can perfectly legally?
I like this guy. I like it so much they had to hit us with an ad. But
Hard
there we
on my
go.
upcoming book, $1 Million Weekend, which is coming out early
Okay,
2024.
book promo.
Stay tuned. Looking
Make
through
sure
my
you
notes,
get this
I found a
book.
lost chapter
And
that
then,
is not.
back
It's
into
also
the
below
video.
in the description. All right, back to the video.
Back into the video.
A huge part of Larry's success that he downplayed in his early career was how serious he took having a positive mindset.
You got a lot of your education through motivational tapes. You got a lot of your learnings early on.
I discovered Nightingale Conant audio programs when I was 19, and it changed my life. And I would listen to cassette tapes driving around in my truck. And my friends would make fun of me, listen to all that motivational crap and stuff. So I kind of hid it from them for a long time, But I wear those things out, Brian Tracy and Earl Nightingale, he's like
Les Brown.
father to me,
And now it comes full circle
Les
as
Brown,
Larry
there
has
he is.
created his own motivational tapes to inspire others on
Zig
their journey.
Ziglar.
People say, I can't be successful because I'm not talented. Really? I don't believe that.
Now it was time for Larry to give me a tour of his $13 million office, and as he was taking me through, we met a few of his employees, and I was blown away by how loyal they are to Larry.
Michael, how long have you been here?
9 years, November 14th.
All right, 9 years, November 14th. Sue, how long have you been here?
Almost 20 years.
Yeah. How long have you
Wow.
been here? 16 years. How long have you been here?
Going to be 21 years.
What makes you want
Wow.
Oh, the people, just the whole atmosphere of the company.
to stay? The thing I don't understand.
Wait, Larry, I absolutely love this guy because the people are there because they're being looked after very well. Can you relate, especially in the UK? You might be in America, but especially in the UK, is it not true? Most places, they do not care about you. Most workplace, if you die, they couldn't care less. If something happened to you, they'll replace you in a heartbeat. That compassion is gone. That's why people also have become relentless. Bro, I'm not going to be loyal to a company that's going to get rid of me. So they just leave. They just up and leave because companies don't care. Why should I care? But it seems like it's going to be good working for this company, man. I love this
How are
guy.
you so calm?
There's a saying, flows uphill. All the problems that no one else could solve go up to the leader. I don't get those problems. My phone doesn't ring. And it's on right now. I didn't turn it off because I have good people. So you need to create a great team of people who stay. If you have continual turnover, nobody gets good at what they're doing, right? And then you're constantly rebuilding your company, If you turn everybody over every 24 months, you have a brand new company every 24 months. You can never get traction. You're gonna go for a ride on the world's slowest elevator. No, come on.
How did you learn your initial skills?
I went to a technical high school, a regional vocational technical high school. I chose carpentry. Yeah, so I wasn't afraid to cut wood and nail it together. So this is marketing. So they generate, 15,000 leads a year. If Fatima gets a lead from the internet, she's calling within 60 seconds.
I just want to see the Google reviews. This is just so good. This is like so well run. Let's see what the customers say. 3 days ago, 5 stars. Added a full bathroom to my basement. Tech professionals came on time. High quality work. They put in a basement dehumidifier system.
So all this is displays of different products that we either manufacture or distribute to our dealers. I invented most of our key products for basement waterproofing and crawl spaces. I have 32 patents.
Can you show us some of those products?
Wow.
Yeah, this is a dehumidifier that my son designed. This is the most efficient, high-performance dehumidifier in the world. My son also developed the world's best air purifier. He built this room
What the heck?
that we would fill with smoke and watch it clear the air. And we have videos on it to prove that this is the world's best air purifier. We set up lasers in here so you could see the smoke, and we put every competitive air purifier in here and did the same test, and you could see the smoke go right through it with your own eyes. So this is Boomtown. This is an 1880s mining town theme. So this is the Boomtown mine, and this is what the miners would have been going after. There.
That's cool. That's cool. Plus, this is your stuff too, no?
This is foam, yeah. So I sprayed the foam and pushed them in, and yeah. So we built all this, designed and built the whole thing. We're contractors, right? So that's like.
Dude, I'm so over tech. These tech companies suck, dude. I'm getting dirty.
Yeah.
My hand's messy.
So this is a vintage industrial space, and all the desks are like 100-year-old oak desks, and all this stuff is all this stuff, including light fixtures, is from old factories and stuff. This is a sculpture of the business machine model. All my dealers walk in here, they know what that is, and it actually operates.
Wow. That's cool. That's cool.
This was from Grand Central Station, literally mailboxes from Grand Central Station. This here.
When someone says blue collar, how does that make you feel, or what do you think when you hear that?
For me, I've always been blue collar. I don't think of it that way. I don't think that white collar is any better. I mean, you could have a guy who's a billionaire, but if his foundation's messed up, who are you gonna call now, buddy?
If you like this video, you are gonna love this video.
Me. I didn't just like that video. I loved it. Wait. Asking 80-year-old millionaires if it was worth it. Wow. I'm gonna end up watching that next. But this video, the valuable key takeaway that I took from this video was, look at this guy, nonsense, was that the loyalty, you need to you end up with a new company every single year when you have a turnover. From a employee standard, we don't really care because we're entrepreneurs here, but from an entrepreneur perspective, you have a new company every 24 months if you're consistently going through people. So you need to make sure the environment that you build, one, money-wise, is worth it, because cost of living, people are struggling out here, man. So you build a company that is worth working for. You're gonna end up 600 mil a year minimum. It obviously is not that simple. You get the gist. You get what I'm trying to tell you. But look, start a side hustle, man. Do something. Nobody's coming to save you. I've always said this. No one's coming to save you. So if you're just sat there doing nothing, watching these videos, after you watch these videos, do something. Google how to start Shopify. Just do something, man. Goodness me. And trust me, God will see you through. Take